All right. So for today, we are going to learn together. Yes, there is one thing that I discovered just yesterday, and I want to share it with you. All right. So, of of course, it's all about begonia. So, hi mga Carden. So this is Hardinerang Nanay once again. Welcome to our home. Welcome to our garden. And we believe that all plants grow with love. So our topic for today is what is the best soil for our begonias. All right. So as I said a while ago that I will be sharing to you the new learning that I just learned yesterday about begonias. Okay. So what happened is that uh, yesterday morning I have a dying begonia. I wonder why it is dying because I just transplant this one. Wait, I'll just get where the pot where I transplanted it. So, titingnan natin kung bakit. Ano bang problema sa aking pagtatanim ng begonia. Ito yung Martin's Mystery. So, it came from here. So, galing dito. Actually, it has more leaves. But then, the leaves keeps on falling and died. Okay? I watered it once only. 3 days after I transplanted this one. And then, it's already 2 weeks. Yeah. And I watered it again the last Sunday. Today is Wednesday. So, in 2 weeks time, dalawang beses ko lang siya nadiligan. Pero bakit namamatay pa rin? Enough naman yung sunlight like that. Pero bakit namamatay pa rin? Maybe because it was shocked when I transplanted it from a smaller pot to a bigger area like this. Bigger area, bigger container like this one. So, I searched yesterday what would be the problem. So, what I have known, and yung nalaman ko is that dapat pala yung begonias natin, our begonias, especially the small ones like this one, it has small roots, few roots. So, dapat mas maliit yung paso. Actually, dapat mas maliit na container sa maliit na begonia. So, mali yung ginawa ko, di ba? It's wrong. It's X. So, this is my sharing today. So, dapat pala, hindi tayo excited masyado na mag-transplant sa malaking container. Diba? When it comes to begonia. For some plants, this spot is okay. Okay? If you transplant it here. But then, for begonia, it has a special case. Okay? As the saying goes, that there will always be an exemption to the rule. So, dapat yung container natin is ganito lang. 'Di ba? So, it fits. So, sige, itatanim na nga natin. So, itatanim na nga natin kasi. So, the same soil pa rin kasi ano naman Kasi 2 weeks bago lang naman ito It's okay. So, ano yung kulang dyan? Pumice. Okay? May pumice pa ba si Hardinerang Nanay? Ayun, meron. Meron akong pumice. So, let's plant it here. Wait lang. With additional pumice. Sige, tansya. Ay na yan. Okay, diba? So, with pumice. Okay. It's better with pumice. Okay. Like that. So, let's plant it now. There. Mabubuhay yan. Sigurado na yan. Diba? Oh. So, dapat ganito lang kaliit yung paso niya muna kasi maliit nga pala yung roots niya. Diba? There we go. Para mabubuhay siya. Diba? So, ganun dapat yung paso lang muna. niya bago natin ilipat sa mas malaki. Parang ganito. Asan na yung buhay na buhay siya eh? Asan na yun? Ito, maliit pa ito. So, dito lang muna. Okay? Hihintayin natin ito na lumaki pa ng konti. The best sign actually kung kailan dapat natin i-transplant yung begonia natin is that yung roots niya is mas marami kaysa doon sa soil. Yes! Yun pala yun. Yeah, I remember that one. May mga na-transplant ako dito na ganun na yung itsura niya, yung as in, mas marami na yung roots kaysa doon sa soil. Ganun. So, kaya pala nakaka-survive sila. Kasi, the thing is that we have to remember that they should be established first in the soil before we transplant it. Okay? Para siguradong buhay. I remember my Helen Cupel before. Bakit siya namatay after nang transplant ko siya? After, 2 weeks. Like that. Kasi nga pala, transplant ko siya kaagad na hindi pa established yung roots niya. Tapos nilagay ko pa siya sa mas malaking container kaagad. Dapat sa mas maliit pala na container muna. So, yun yung isang learning natin today. Usually, there are varieties of begonias na okay lang na mas malalaki na yung mga paso. Pero these kinds, yung mga special begonias natin, mas gusto nila ng pot-bound. Okay? Yung, when we say pot-bound, nasa paso siya, at saka mas maliit yung paso kaysa sa halaman. Yun. Okay? Ganun pala yun. And then, of course, I have something here na I made a vlog of this before. It's about the carpet begonia or the turtle begonia that I transplanted it from a leaf propagation. Let's see. This is after 2 weeks already of transplanting this one. So we have here the one I transplanted it. Click the description below for the link of that vlog, of that video. So let's see what happened after 2 weeks. So this one actually, hindi ko pa siya nadidiligan kasi basa pa yung soil eh. Diba? The first time that I watered this one is that when I transplanted this, when I made that video. The problem I think is this is too big for this one. Okay? So that's it. We are going to transplant that in a smaller pot. Okay? Hey, nako. It's good thing that I've searched that one and read about it. Oh. Pero okay pa naman itong turtle begonia natin at saka or kaya itong carpet pero okay pa naman itong turtle begonia natin or carpet begonia. Yun lang para sigurado tayo, 'di ba? So ganun talaga ang paggagarden. We have to learn, we have to experiment like that. Okay. I-transplant na natin para matapos na. And then, here, I have here the mixture of this, the soil mix of this, is with the charcoal, cow manure, with sand, coarse sand, and what's this? Coco peat, the original soil of this one. We added it to here. And then also we have the composted alnos tree leaves. And then konting black soil. Okay. If you want, you can add more pumice actually. Alright. Because pumice is very good for aeration purposes like that. And then also it makes the soil well draining. Okay. So we're gonna add some pumice as we said. So around 20% of pumice to 30% of pumice is fine. Alright. So here we go. And then we're gonna transplant it here. Don't want to disturb this one. Just leave it like that. Okay. Just leave it like that. Okay, when you are planting the begonias, don't make it too deep. Okay, to prevent root rot. Okay, there. Just okay na yung ganyan kaysa naman yung nakatanim lahat, 'di ba? So, that's it. Okay, puno ano. Pero it will go. It will when you water this one, siya na yung bahalang ano, umayos sa sarili niya. Basta ganyan lang muna, okay? Para siguradong hindi masyadong maistorbo ito. Since nadilig ko na ito 3 days ago, well, didiligan na lang natin ito next week. Alright? Kasi ang dilig ko nito is once a week. Okay? I place it in a bright shade like that. And then, there's the morning sun, pero mga 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay? Later on, we're going to increase it to at least 2 hours of early morning sun. Okay? So, you are wondering why, bakit lupay-pay yung mga begonias mo, bakit ganun ang nangyari, proper watering naman, check, proper soil, check, proper sunlight, check, di ba? Kaya nagtaka ako, bakit nalulupay-pay si Martin's Mystery ko? Bakit? So, I search, ganun pala yun. You have to consider also yung paso. Baka masyadong malaki yung paso kaysa dun sa roots ng halaman mo. So, ibahin nyo si begonia. Actually, most of the plants naman pero ibahin nyo talaga si begonia. Okay, iba siya. Okay, question a while ago was, what is the best soil for our begonias? So, the best soil for our begonias is that it should be well draining. Okay, adding pumice, perlite, what else? Lava rock, charcoal is fine. Okay, about 20% to 30%. Okay, pumice is fine. Okay, you can also try using the akadama soil. Okay, I tried that in my succulents, in my propagation of succulents. It's fine. There's a description below on how I did it. Soil experiments or soil mix experiments to crested elegans propagation. So I tried the pure akadama soil. So for our next vlog, hinihintay ko sa akadama soil na dumating ulit kasi naubos na. We are going to try it in our begonias. For sure, it will be successful. Okay, so why? Because the akadama soil is not for bonsai only, it's also for cacti, succulents, and other ornamental plants. Akadama soil is very good for the plants because it encourages aeration. Okay, parang ganun din ang purpose ni pumice aside from well draining yung soil, aeration din. Okay, there's a excellent aeration. Okay, so si akadama soil, ganun yung qualities niya. Begonias does not like saggy soil, heavy, well draining soil. Okay, as that. It also works with other plants actually. Okay, and if you are using the rice hull in your garden, hardinerang nanay advises that you should be using the carbonized rice hull. It's better. Okay, it has more advantage in your soil mix. Okay, so that's it. Then of course we should not be over fertilizing our begonias. Okay, of course the begonias love the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but then they don't want actually too much nitrogen. Okay, so it should be balanced. Everything should be balanced. Okay, watching HN TV Baguio. So okay, see you in the next video. Tianog kabasan muan.